Last night I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tyra. In case you're new here, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So I'm doing an updated onion juice treatment, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. Onion juice is really good for the hair. You have different types of onions, as you know. There's the red onion, this one, and then the white onion. According to Google, this is the best when it comes to hair treatment and for treating alopecia. The other one works as well, but obviously if this is better, we're going to be using this one today. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I've been doing this now for about 6 weeks, and I noticed improvement. I did it before, I used it before, but then I stopped and I noticed that my hair wasn't growing as fast as it was. So I'm going to insert videos so that you can see. But this is how I prepared it. I just cut the onions, peel it, and then I just go ahead and blend it. So let me tell you some of the benefits of onions. Onions contain acids, nutrients, naturally occurring chemicals like sulfur.
I wanna know who you are. This what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the jungle.
You just need something that you can use to sieve. So I use this one and I just pour it in. Get as much onion juice as you can. You don't want the onion pulp in your hair because it's really difficult to wash out. So this is the best way to do it. Believe me guys, you don't need to mix 1 million different things together to get something that works for your hair. Try onion juice, and I'll try and put in a study as well that I read about it. If I can still find it, I'll link it in my description box. You pour it into a bottle. A spray bottle, I spray it on my hair. Let me know if you want me to show you how I apply it, but it's just a matter of spraying it into your hair, and that's what it looks like. If you had used this one, the juice would be orange, the juice would be purple. But anyway, I prefer to use the white one because, as I said, Google says it's more potent. So that's it guys, basically that's how easy it is to prepare. It just took me 5 minutes to do, and it actually works. I use it twice a week, so this is enough for me to spray my hair twice. I spray half of it now, and then I freeze the rest, and then I just bring it out and just use. If you keep it for a week, it'll still be okay, but anything after that, it loses its potency. So guys, so easy to prepare, and I just hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it, and let me know if it works for you. But trust me, I've had alopecia, and it is really helping my follicles, my sleeping follicles, to come back to life. If you have follicles that are sleeping or not very active, onion juice stimulates them. it increases blood flow to those follicles, and then they come alive again and your hair starts to grow. Trust me guys, it really works. And then as I said, you don't need to try 1 million different ingredients mixed together. Just try this one, it works very well. I'll give you an update of how much it has helped my hair in my next video. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
No words describe your savage life. Ooh, let's give it a go like our purpose shows. I wanna know who you are. This what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to